What's in the box? Oh, glad you asked. While everyone's been investing in various coins, I've been investing in something else. Antique accounting ledgers. This one is from 1912. So, the Cleveland, Cincinnati, Chicago, and St. Louis Railway Co. Number 13. I've got about 10 pages here. We're looking at July of 1912. Mate of way, I don't know what that means. Department, St. Louis, division. Oh, payroll. Okay, so payroll for July 1912. That's the people's names. Cleveland, let's see what we can learn about this company. So the Cleveland, Cincinnati, Chicago, and St. Louis, there we go, Railway Co. Ooh, we got a wiki article. Big Four RR redirects here. Commonly abbreviated CCC and STL, a railroad company in Midwestern US. So it looks like they refer to this as the Big Four. I'm not sure how to feel about that. 1905, the Big Four was acquired by the New York Central Railroad. 1906, so this ledger is 1912. And you know what? The ledger says New York Central Lines. So it doesn't look like they updated the stationery post-acquisition. You know why? Because they're accountants. And when the acquisition happened, they said, we just had 6 boxes of this printed. It's perfectly good. We'll just keep using it, right? I got to imagine accountants back then were the same as they are now. The railroad was headquartered in Indianapolis, Indiana. It says the division on this ledger was St. Louis. Railroad operated a terminal, largest roundhouse in use at the time between New York and St. Louis. What's a roundhouse? I know like the Chuck Norris roundhouse, but you know, railroad, Coneyard Roundhouse, St. Louis. Cool. Portion of the new roundhouse at B&O's East St. Louis Terminal. Offices are housed in the building on the right. Okay, so let's take a look at this thing. Part of what fascinates me about these is they're all in these different formats. Let's just get this out of the way to all the people that are saying, I used to use a big ledger just like that. I haven't. So part of this is an exploration of my ignorance. Okay, so the headers. Starts with a remarks column. Interesting. Name number, name, balance due, number of drafts, date paid, points to which drafts should be sent, final settlement drafts, number and amount, occupation, time, months, days, hours. Everything here is under the hours column. There's also miles, interesting. The rate, amount, and per. Okay, this person has per month and nothing under hours. Okay, so they're paid by months. Amount, total, and then up here, deductions. This is so great. Simple IRA, wellness, but no, just kidding. For board, for various, for whom? Name number. How cool is this? Okay, Clayton Wilbur. He's owed $34.50. Assume that's like a check number. Date paid August 17th, 1912. All of these are within a few days, but not the exact same day. Really interesting they use a stamp for this. And this is like, I mean, some sort of typewriter function or something, right? It's way too square to be an actual stamp, but I don't know, were there large format typewriters? If you know about this stuff, please comment below. The laborer worked 230 hours at $15 an hour. 230 hours. Is this monthly, I wonder? That'd be a lot of hours even for monthly. Here we go. Equal to 22 men, full month. So they're on a monthly pay schedule. Got a couple sign-off lines here. The above has been examined by me and found correct. Nobody signed off. That hasn't changed. Approved and audited. Auditor of disbursements. Comptometer number 2. What is that? So a comptometer is a calculator. Down here it says checked comptometer number 2. So they used this presumably to foot the totals, but even indicated which comptometer they used. Maybe in case one of them had an issue. That's funny. Interesting here to see the deductions. This guy, he's got 3/4 of his pay deducted for board. Interesting they've tagged deductions for whom. There isn't much detail in these deductions, which I have to think made the accountant's life difficult, unless they used Uncat. Uncat's a simple app that lets you collaborate with clients on uncategorized transactions. If something comes through the bank and you need a little more detail, chuck it in uncategorized expense. Your client will automatically get notified to help you fill in the blanks. All you have to do, point Uncat to the uncategorized expense accounts in your ledger, set up your client notifications, and they're gonna get an email with a magic link to hop in and address those transactions. No new system for your client to learn, no logging into the accounting system. Simple interface for your client that works on mobile or desktop. Supports QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, and Xero. So no matter where your ledger lives, you've got a single platform for collaboration. Learn more over at uncat.com. Do we foot the totals? Gosh, no. Okay, so this is number 14. This is number 13. Good grief. That says July. This is July. Is this all one pay run? Got some circled and initialed corrections down here. Check mark on top of an X. Accountants never change. Are these names all different? Yeah, these are all different names. So the names are different, but the name number starts over. So these are just numbered rows, I guess. Still in July. We're up to 105 people on payroll. 25 3/4 men. This guy's got points to which drafts should be sent. It says Shelbyville. Still saying checked by comptometer number 2. Same thing here, but a little more faded. What are we at now? 140 people on payroll. Still in July. We complain about cloud-based payroll software not supporting enough people. God bless this person. So this is number 17. First one is number 13. Good grief. So they're paid once a month. This is for July's work. They're paid past mid-August. It's pretty brutal pay cycle. Still in July. Man, imagine having to go back and figure out some of this stuff retroactively. I don't understand this. Equal to 18 men. There's 35 people listed here though. Not sure what that means. We're still going. Oh, we got some highlighter. What is that? It looks like a different type of pen or something, because there's crosses through the numbers and then different numbers that are now kind of blurred out, written above them. Yeah, 20 3/4. Not sure what that means. How cool is that? That must not be the end of it. We've got pages 22 through 13. So the Cleveland, Cincinnati, Chicago, and St. Louis Railway Co. That is fantastic. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this now. So it looks like it must have been a payroll ledger. You think running payroll sucks? Just be happy you're not this person, right? So that's the story of the Cleveland, Cincinnati, Chicago, and St. Louis Railway Co. and their July 1912 pay run. Do you know more about this stuff? Is there something you can add to the story? Drop a comment below. This format is not my area of expertise, but I'm having fun with it. In fact, we got a bunch more old-timey ledger videos like this on the way. So if you had fun with this one, let me know, and keep an eye out for more in the coming weeks.